Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I am showing you guys my new apartment. I will attach the TikTok that I made of my past apartment to show you guys where I was living before. I thought I did a full apartment tour of it, but I just realized that I only made a TikTok for it. So I'll place that here. Yeah, we'll get into my new apartment. Start by saying that I have not finished decorating at all. I've only been in here for a month since I made my last video, but I'm just now posting them. So everything's kind of all over the place. This is just a realistic video. I'm leaving to go to my boyfriend's house and it's extremely windy, so I'm dodging the wind right now. I figured why not go ahead and make this video now since I've been freaking procrastinating. Let's go. So when you walk in, this is what sold me on the apartment. I am obsessed with the floor to ceiling windows in this living room. I ended up putting window film on the windows. I am not sure if you guys can tell because, you know, I'm on the ground floor and I don't want people looking in at me. And believe it or not, you actually can't see anything from the outside in here unless you're up on my window. I keep my wheelchair next to it because, you know, I don't want to roll them all the way around the house because that's my outside wheelchair. Obviously I use my walker, but for now I'm going to use my current wheelchair so that I can get around and show you everything. This is my kitchen. It's off to the side of the apartment, which I do not mind. Obviously, I have all this space here. I didn't want to add the table here because I just felt it would be in my way as I use bigger equipment, obviously, to get around. I haven't done too much to it. I brought my regular things that I had. I brought my little seasoning thing. I bought this from Amazon. I freaking love it. It actually came with all of these things. Like it came with every one of them. They're already labeled and you can just buy the stuff to refill them. I love that. I will link everything in the description that I can remember. A lot of stuff I got from Temu. Obviously, you see I'm a little messy right now, but don't judge me. This is all real, okay? All natural.
Okay, I've added that to the list.
Oh my gosh, Siri, I was not talking to you. Over here, I actually bought this from Amazon as well. My pink, oh my gosh, I can't remember the word, but these things, okay? I will also link that in my Amazon. I love these, they're so beautiful, freaking amazing. I even got a crock pot, the same color. So yeah, I think I might have showed you guys that in my other video too. Not sure, but if not, I'm showing you now. From there, I have a nice sink. I got this from Temu. It's messy right now. I don't want to show you guys that. I kind of keep my cans in there because I do recycle. Drinking my Celsius water, don't judge me. The boyfriend got the Celsius and I didn't realize it was to burn fat, which I do not have. I don't have any. This camera is in here because of my boyfriend, just so we can watch the door in case I'm not home and someone tries to get in. And then the regular stuff. But I love this. I love, oh, I keep my little note things here for what I need. I love that this apartment also has this. How I give my dog her water, she does not get tap water at all. Off from the kitchen, I have my living room. Pretty standard. I have everything that I had in my old apartment, the couch, the fireplace, the TV, the lamp, everything's pretty much the same, and the difference is my ceilings are ridiculously tall. I did buy some large pictures to go on the wall. There's gonna be like 3 large ones. Currently having a really hard time finding frames that don't cost $200 a piece for those, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to figure it out, ghetto rig it somehow. I don't know, but this is probably the most boring part of the house. And over here, I bought this little outdoor set as a indoor set because I liked it, but this is just, you know, this is over here now. Those are the pictures I was talking about. You know, this is my mess table for the moment. However, Amazon or Temu has this same set, so yeah. Going from the living room to the bathroom to be an awkward cut-in of a video, but I just looked at the footage and I realized I did not show you guys what's in this closet, which is the laundry. I will go ahead and show you now. Had to turn on the light. Obviously you see very high ceilings, lots of storage space up there, but I only have those 2 things there. This is my washer and dryer. These are the freaking Bluetooth ones. Don't know why anyone needs a Bluetooth washer and dryer, but you know, I can just come over here and press the buttons and stuff. So, you know, I love these. My clothes actually smell clean versus my other washer in my other apartment did not. I don't know. I just felt like it tore up my clothes and I didn't do anything. This, I love this. I got this from Temu, but they also sell them on Amazon. I will link this down below if I can from either or. I love it. And you can label these as you wish. Just realized that one's on the side. Yeah, it comes with a little marker and whatnot and these little cubbies that are really cute. Love that. Yeah. I also got this little thing here, the label for dryer sheets, and I keep those in there. This little room isn't very decorated, but you know, it's just simple. It's exactly what I need. Not a lot of space on the sides for anything, but I keep my toilet paper and stuff over there and just detergent over here. I love the bathroom. I love this freaking mirror. It's freaking gorgeous. The best lighting ever. I got this from Temu. I love it, the little toothpaste dispensary thing. It is a little tough sometimes to get the toothpaste out, but you know, I like it. It's aesthetically pleasing. This freaking, oh my gosh, I forgot to show you the one in my living room. I have Sexy Man, and I think this one is a jasmine one. I cannot remember the name of this, but these smell freaking amazing. I love them. They will smell the whole entire room for weeks on end. I do not know when they wear out, but they have not worn out for me, and I've had them for almost 2 months now. So yeah, this one came from my old apartment. Had to bring it. It's very heavy duty. And I got this from Temu for my mouthwash. I saw this idea on someone's TikTok to use alcohol bottles as mouthwash bottles. And I thought that was smart. And I like that it looks like a little potion. So yeah, that's cute. I have my simple floor things, my scale, and in this bathroom I decided to put the picture. I just thought it went so much better in here. And I think it was a smart idea. I did this myself, so if it's wompy, I can't tell, you know? So, you know what? Shh, leave me alone. And I decided to get this right here. You can read it as you will. These are peel and sticks. Like this is peel and stick trash can, peel and stick holder. Don't recommend the holder because it doesn't stay very well. That's why I have the toilet paper under there in case. So yeah, this bathroom did not come with one of these. So I bought a peel and stick one of these, which is crazy to me because why didn't it come with this? I guess you're just supposed to pull one off of a rod, like paper towels, but I don't do that. I ain't doing all that. So yeah. Here is my stand-in shower because this unit only had this. And I was like, you know what? I don't always need a tub. This is fine. I know how to sit in a chair and wash myself. So I got that from Amazon, and so did the rack. I had added this to the bottom. When it was in my old apartment, it actually touched the ceiling, but these ceilings are too high, and that's made onto the wall. So yeah. Now let's go to the bedroom. Before we go to the bedroom, I'd like to show you that I have 2 doors here. One door for this way in case I want to close off the bedroom, or if I want to come from the bedroom, you know, in case I have guests. Now to my favorite room in the house. My beautiful, beautiful bedroom. Look at the windows. I freaking love it. Like, look at my canopy. I've wanted a canopy bed for so long. I've never had one, and I was like, I'm getting it now. And then I'm sure you see, I bought these sconces as well. They're kind of cheap, but I got them from Amazon as well. They're very light, and the electric candles, they're wompy too. I just haven't been able, I haven't had time to fix that stuff. You know, I've been gone a lot. But this bedroom's, oh my God, this freaking sheet set. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm going to get a new pillow. I don't like that one in the middle. My dog is making noise. Give me a moment. So this canopy for some reason didn't come with the ties, so they're a little off right now. But I plan on buying some soon. Also going on my list. I do want to mention this freaking carpet. I bought a black carpet. I bought black. They sent me pink. And then they wanted to give me half and, you know, whatever. So I was like, I'll keep it and see if I like it. More than likely gonna remove this and get the black version of it. Probably not from the same company, but yeah. And I did not mean to get it this big, dude. It doesn't even, it's too big. I had to fold it on the side. There's a few things in here that need to be tweaked because the bedroom's where I spend most of my time and I want it to be perfect. Again, let me show you these sconces. Let me see if I can get up closer for you. Oh, another thing I bought, I had to do this, and however, it's already almost empty, which is crazy. I have a matching glass, and the cubes for this, it came with cubes. They're in the freezer. They're metal, which is really cool. And I would have those sitting here. My boyfriend's mom gave me this. I thought this was adorable. I'm gonna put this somewhere else. For now, this is where it's gonna sit. The freaking sconce. Freaking perfect. However, I love this thing. I love this thing. I kind of want to get some different candles that actually stay upright because these ones keep wobbling. But I freaking love this thing. Perfect, 10 out of 10. These are my regular side tables. Also from Amazon. I do not think they sell these anymore. I didn't see them, but maybe they do. I will check just in case. This picture here, I got it from, I think TJ Maxx or Ross, I can't remember, but I freaking love it. It's a horse. Y'all know I love animals, and I just thought it would be so perfect in here. Now, do you want to see the bad part of this bedroom? The only bad part is all of this. This little section right here is all my trash. I mean, not trash, I'm lying. It's all my clothes I need to fold, everything that I have not packed or put away. I really, really wanted a black vanity. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a small black vanity right here would be so perfect. Tell me if I'm wrong. I know it would be perfect, but your girl ain't got no money right now, so we're just gonna deal with what we have. And then my laundry here. This isn't gonna stay here, it's gonna go in the closet. Which reminds me, let's go to the closet. She's just over here looking so picturesque. I love you, mama. I love you. So I love my closet. It comes with the built-in shelves. Let me turn on the light. And so there's nothing behind this door. It's just this. This is what I'm using for my shoes. And the rest of the closet here, I have some things I need to put in a different closet. But I have so much space to put clothes and stuff. However, I'm not the best hanger. Okay, I've always put in things in drawers. So I'm starting to hang, if you get what I'm saying. But I love the space in here. That's one of the things that sold me on these apartments is all the closets in all of the apartments are huge. So love that for me. You can't tell right now, but the wind has slowed down. These were going bonkers earlier. I love that there are trees in front of my window, so when people walk by, they can't even see me in here because it's still further away because there's a fence. But I love it. I was thinking about putting peel and stick here and having these all open, whatever, but I was like, I kind of like seeing outside. So if I did, I'd probably have to do like half. But I don't know, I kind of don't want it because inside of my bed, I can just block it off like this. You can't even see me in here. That, my friends, concludes my little apartment tour. This apartment is 670 or 80 feet. My other one was 7 something. So you can see the difference a little bit in that. The only difference here is the ceilings are a lot higher. So if you're actually in the space with me, it does feel a lot bigger. I love this apartment. I do feel I need a lot more decorations to make it really pop here, but I love it. It's nice. And it was a little bit cheaper than my old apartment. So that's even better. The building, mind you, is freaking phenomenal. I love it. There's concierge. There is a pool with a giant TV screen that looks like a movie theater out there by the hot tub. Like, we have weekly events. We have a calendar, for God's sakes, for everything. Like, I love it. Security. I didn't have security in my other building. These people have been so helpful. This freaking apartment is perfect. I have zero complaints. I love it. And the free coffee in the lobby. Say less. There is also a Starbucks across the street over there. Not gonna tell you exactly where, but it's over there. I'm so happy. Like, and the dog park, it's perfect for me and Lucy. I made sure this place was perfect for me and her. Can't be selfish when you're a dog mom. However, I'm gonna conclude this video so I'm not rambling on too long. I love you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. And if you have any ideas of what I should do, any interior decorative things for like my bedroom or my living room specifically, because it's, for now, to me, is so bland. I feel like I need a carpet. I'm gonna show you that one more time. This is the living room area mixed with the living room, if you get me. I freaking love it. I think it's beautiful. Tell me what you think I should do. I really feel like an area rug, but my boyfriend says no. But it looks too empty to me. I don't know. Obviously the aesthetic is black and white. The pictures that I have are black and white. I know I need some plants. Some artificial ones, of course. But yeah, let me know, you guys. I am very open to your ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. That is what will keep my videos coming and keep people seeing that I still exist on this app. I know I'm not the best at posting, but I want to get better. Please follow me on TikTok if you don't already. Everything will be in my description. Anyways, have a wonderful, blessed day, you guys. I love you, and thank you for being here. Ciao.